Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel English Literature. Today is Sunday and it is Sunday story time. Today I am going to tell you a story from this book. You can see it. 50 greatest short stories, and here is a story by O.Henry, the Cactus. Okay, before going to the story I want to tell you one thing. You can take it as an advice that I experienced from the story. Never tell a lie. Even if the lie is a white lie, but never tell a lie. This lie can act as a boomerang and destroy your life. So, come to the story. When the story opens, we find a young man whose name is Trisdale. He is just returned from a marriage ceremony and he is accompanied by one person who is the bride's brother. And they are in his apartment. Trisdale is contemplating on the past affairs in his life, what happened, how it happened and why it happened. Actually, Trisdale met a lady in a party and there he just fell in love with that lady. The lady is very modest, simple, innocent, and she paid his homage to Trisdale. And there is a mutual friend among them who told that lady that Trisdale knows Spanish. So when the lady asked Trisdale that if you know Spanish or not, Trisdale, who does not know Spanish, just acknowledged, yeah, I know that. Just to impress the lady. And that white lies will cause the disaster of this relationship. Trisdale feels that the lady is in love with him as he paid so much adorable comments on him, and from her appearance, from her language, her gait, it was quite obvious that the lady loves Trisdale. But when Trisdale proposes her and asks her that if she wants to be him, she does not give any answer. She just told that okay, there's sometimes I'm telling present tense, sometimes in past tense. Anyway, she just told him to wait for the answer for the next day. The next day I will send you the answer. And Trisdale came back and wait for the answer. The next day, Trisdale will meet the maid of the lady who brought a red tuff and a cactus in it. And there is a little tag in the cactus, written something, maybe the in vernacular language, the name of the cactus, anything. Trisdale did not give so much importance on it. And now what happened? Trisdale wait for the note or any news from the lady, but get nothing except that cactus. Trisdale got infuriated and he felt that his ego is hurt, and in an infurious moment he just felt very humiliated. So when they next again met in some party or any ceremony, he just keep a distance. And even the lady was taken aback by Trisdale's behavior, and she also felt that something is wrong. Maybe Trisdale is not interested now. So gradually they drift apart. They drifted apart from each other. And now Trisdale attends the ceremony of that lady's marriage ceremony, and he is contemplating what happened between them that just make their love affairs destroyed in such uncertainty and in such whimsicality. Then the young man who was with Trisdale, the bride's brother, he will ask Trisdale that from where did he get the cactus. Trisdale said that it is a gift from someone special. And Trisdale asked, then the friend will ask him that there is a tag. Do you know the meaning? It is written in Spanish. Do you know Spanish? Then Trisdale will acknowledge that no, I don't know Spanish. Then the person will read it, and there it is written. What? I want to tell you what it is written in that note. Trisdale just missed the note. A present, said Trisdale, from a friend. Know the species very well. It is a tropical concern. See hundreds of them around Punta every day. Here's a name on this tag tied to it. Know any Spanish? Trisdale? No, said Trisdale, with a bitter wrath as a smile. It's Spanish. Yeah. The natives imagine the leaves are reaching out and beckoning to you. They call it by this name, Vento Mermaid. Name means in English, come and take me. So, do you understand? The tension, the anxiety, whatever it is throughout the story going on just came into a drop. And this is called short story. And the lady sent the message, come and take me. But lady feels that Trisdale knows Spanish, but Trisdale does not know Spanish. Because of a white lie, because of a lie, very trivial lie on part of Trisdale, everything destroyed. Trisdale does not know Spanish, but he tells that I know Spanish, so lady sent the message in Spanish, just tagging it with the cactus. And Trisdale just does not look at it, just overlook it. So never overlook any trivial things. Maybe something important is tagged there. So if you want to read it, the story is also available in YouTube and PDF. You can find in Google. You can go for it. Thank you.